Good morning, this is Gianni De Bonis from Sacs TecnoRib, and we are presenting here the Pirelli50 in the closed cockpit version. I mean, the most important thing about this boat is the hull, designed by Mr. Åke Mannerfeld. So it's a very performant hull, very safe in all situations. All the steps are the same level, the boat is extremely safe. With a social area in the front, with its own shower and stereo, and you got everything you need just on the front of the boat, on the bow. Inside the boat you got an underdeck with two cabins. The bed on the front is open. You got a toilet with a shower here, or the VIP cabin on the stern. The driving position can easily host 3 people, studied with all the possible ergonomy, and we have twin screen Simrad here. That is a fantastic way of having everything under control and controlling the boat from the cockpit. On the back, in this version, here we got fridge, ice maker, and induction cooking. And all this area on the back can be used just to sit, around 8-10 people also there, or the table can go down at the same level with a cushion above, and all becomes a sandbag. So the boat is new, it's the second year this year, and this version closed is really brand new. It's the first time we show it. It's a very, very easy boat to drive, to cruise, because it's a rib. So it's low on the sea. You can drive it yourself. You got all the joystick, all the anchor system. You don't need a skipper or any help.